Welcome to Speak Clearly Lab. Ordering food sounds easy until the cashier asks 5 questions in 10 seconds. Today, you'll learn what to say, what the cashier means, and how to stay calm when you don't understand. Let's watch the scene first.
Okay, I just need to order lunch. Simple. But what if they speak too fast?
Maybe I'll get a chicken burger, or maybe a combo.
Next, please. Hi, what can I get for you today?
Hi, I want chicken burger.
Sure. Do you want just the sandwich or the combo?
Combo?
Yes, the combo comes with fries and a drink.
Yes, combo.
What drink would you like with that?
Drink?
Coke, Sprite, iced tea, water?
Yes?
Which drink would you like?
Sorry, Coke, please.
No problem. For here or to go?
Sorry? What means for here?
Are you eating here or taking it away?
Oh. To go, please.
Got it. Any changes to the burger?
Changes?
For example, no onions, extra sauce, no pickles.
Oh, yes, no onions, please.
Sure, no onions.
And can I have extra ketchup?
Absolutely. So that's 1 chicken burger combo, Coke, no onions, extra ketchup, to go. Anything else?
Sorry, could you repeat that more slowly, please?
Sure. 1 chicken burger combo, Coke, no onions, extra ketchup, to go.
Yes, that's right.
Your total is $8.50.
Can I pay by card?
Yes, tap whenever you're ready.
Thank you.
You're all set. Your order will be ready soon.
Great, thank you.
Let's break this down. The customer did not need perfect English. She needed clear survival phrases for a fast situation. In restaurants, many questions are short. That is why they feel difficult.
Here are the most useful patterns. Number 1, can I get a chicken burger combo, please? Number 2, to go, please, or for here, please.
Number 3, could you repeat that more slowly, please? These are simple, but very powerful in real life. When you want to change your order, use could I have or can I have. For example, could I have no onions? Can I have extra ketchup? Could I get less ice? This sounds much more natural than only saying one word, like no onion or more ketchup. Now, let's watch the same situation again, but this time the customer uses clearer and smoother English.
Hi, what can I get for you today?
Hi, can I get a chicken burger combo, please?
For here or to go?
To go, please.
What drink would you like?
Coke, please.
Any changes to the burger?
Could I have no onions, please? And can I have extra ketchup?
Sure. Anything else?
That's all, thank you.
Perfect. You're all set.
Now you try. Repeat after me. Can I get a chicken burger combo, please? To go, please. Could I have no onions, please?
Could you repeat that more slowly, please? Save these phrases for the next time you order food in English. Your turn. Write your order in the comments using this pattern. Can I get blank, please? Subscribe to Speak Clearly Lab for more real-life English practice and free practical ESL workbooks.